Hi, welcome. I'm making that video after a while I made all the videos. I have just figured out that the actual video don't have any sound because I forgot to turn on the speaker. So I'm making the video again. There might be some discrepancy between the previous video and this video, or this video and the next video. I'm sorry for that, but let's jump in. What we want to cover in that video is we want to restrict our user so that they cannot send anything less than 1, because now they can send something integer or nothing. If they send nothing, which is fine, and if they don't provide that count, that's also fine. We will put that as 1. But if they provide something less than 1, we need to throw some error that count must be greater or equal 1. To do that, we can use ternary operator, and that's the alternative of if-else condition. So the main keyword of the ternary operator is a question mark followed by a colon. So in the ternary operator, we don't have if-else. So after the if, we write the condition will be here. Condition 1, and there can be more conditions with the short circuit evaluation. Condition 2, and then we can have, if the condition satisfied, that part will be returned. And if the condition is not satisfied, then we can put that together. Then non-satisfied part should be returned. So now we can plug that and fill that up in our actual type. For now, we can forget about that. So I'll just put that as a comment. So our first condition is, first we need to check if the user provided something integer. So if it's nothing, then we don't need to care about that. So first we will check that count is a integer. And if it's an integer, then we need to do a second check that if it's less than 1 or not. Count is less than 1. If that happened, then we want to throw an error, and the error is count must have to be greater or equal 1. Actually, that text, maybe in the next video you will find that text is different, because I'm creating after a while and I didn't remember like which exact text I put in the error. So if that text is different than this one, excuse me for that, but that's like the main theme what we want to do. So we want to throw an error, and if the condition is satisfied, if the condition is not satisfied, which means it's not an integer or the count is provided is greater than 1, then it's fine. We can build our value of the type using the constructor. So the non-satisfied part will be actually the constructor. So that's how it looks like. We can make it look a bit better. So we can make it as a new line, and then that part can be a indented part. That part goes under that, and our new here, and we can put the closing bracket. So that's it. So now that's how it looks like. We can test that. So I will just run that quickly. And now we can create a value of that type, like very small. Params equal resource param, and we can put like really any name and then just try to check the count equal 0, and it throws the error count must have to be greater or equal 1. And that's what was our goal. And if I provide 100, it should create value of that type. Okay, it's created. So that's how we can restrict the user so that they are not able to provide something less than 1. And in the next video, actually you will see already plugged in that code in our actual package, because that's a temp folder. You can see I'm writing some code because I'm creating that video after a while. I create the whole course, but that's the main theme, and maybe that text is a bit different in the next video, but excuse me for that. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.